So check it out. Very, very simple dexterity exercise you can do at any level. I used to play this and practice this when I was first learning how to play, just to be able to gain that finger strength individually that I needed to press the fretboard down with that equal amount of pressure. So very, very simple chromaticized, or what's the word? I don't know. It has chromaticism in it. So it's fairly simple, and all you have to do is follow the pattern. I'm going to show you that right now. Okay guys, so what I want to do is not focus on the notes. I just want to focus more so on the pattern and the finger positioning for right now. So you can start this anywhere on the fretboard as long as it's on the E string, and we're just working it down the same exact repetitive pattern, repetitive line. We're going to be doing the same exact way, and then backwards we're going to be doing it backwards the other way. Okay, so we're going to be reversing the same exact pattern. So what we're going to do now, so first finger, fourth finger, second finger, third finger. That is the pattern. That's it. It's not really too much for me to show you. You guys can take this pattern and run with it. Okay, so I'm starting on the key of A. I'm starting on the root note A flat. My fourth finger is hitting the B. Same next string down, same thing. Next string down, and make sure you're alternating the first and the second finger on your picking hand. Very simple. It allows all of your fingers to do some work and to be able to account for themselves. Okay, and you'll gain that strength in each finger, and making sure each note is clean, clear, and precise, like I always say. So with the same amount of pressure, you want them clean. If you hear one of those notes going off, you want to fix that. Making sure it's nice and clean and round sound. Fingering 1 4 2 3 1 4 2 3 1 4 2 3 1 4 2 3. Like I said, very, very simple. It's not much for me to show you guys that pattern alone. I really don't like doing patterns or exercises that are not pleasing melodically. I guess it can be in a way, but it really doesn't have any diatonic sense to it. So, but it's mainly just an exercise. It's literally just an exercise, right? So you're not really doing this in the real world, or a bass line or actual bass line or anything like that you will play, but it's just a nice exercise to be able to gain that strength. It's more of a muscle building exercise, so to speak. Okay, so on the way back down, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to do 4 1 3 2. Got it? 4 1 3 2. Start this on any fret, just as long as each finger provides the space for the fret consecutive. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Doesn't matter where you start this. So I'm starting this on the D, on the G string for this example. 4 1 3 2. Don't worry about notes right now. 4 1 3 2 4 1 3 2 4 1 3 2 4 1 3 2. Let's do that again. 4 1 3 2 4 1 3 2 4 1 3 2 4 1 3 2. Okay, doesn't really make sense melodically, but it's an exercise. Okay. Sometimes I mess up and I want to use that fourth finger instead of the third finger, but that'll force you to use that third finger. Sometimes the third finger is more weak than the fourth, but that's in my case. But anyway, it might be the opposite for you. Fourth finger usually is the weak finger, but like I said, it allows you to strengthen all four fingers. So that is it, guys. Just a dexterity exercise. Take it and run with it. Add that into your practice routine or your regimen every single day. If you're having trouble with that, I still do that from sometimes from some different lines that I do. Anyway, you get the idea. So that same type of formation of the exercise, I might skip strings or something like that. That was really, really sloppy. Sorry about that. Anyway, I'm going to go practice and get that a little bit more clean. You guys take this slow, clean, clear, and precise. I was doing this at 120 BPM. You can slow it down or speed it up if you would like. It matters on what you're comfortable with. If you're getting them clean and it feels comfortable for you, don't slow it down. Speed it up. If it's not, slow it down. Don't be afraid or ashamed. Take it slow. This is a gradual process. Okay, don't try to rush it. I always tell you that all the time. Make sure your notes are coming out clean, clear, and precise, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.